Here's what we have. It's called Tropical Storm Tie-Dye. The shirt's been stripped down, soda ashed, dyed. Now I just set them out here in the middle of the tropical storm. Tropical Storm Tie-Dye. Awesome. What's going to happen here is naturally the water's going to flow through the shirt, go through it to the bottom, and you're going to have an awesome design because it's all natural from the rain. When the raindrop hits it, it'll disperse in the shirt. The dye will shoot out on the bottom,